Welcome to my project showcase presentation. I'm Hamid Jahani from the University of Illinois, pursuing a PhD in construction management and a Master of Computer Science. I'm a former architect and a professional user of Autodesk products. I work as a software developer with the Revit API team under IPG-BCG. I suspend myself to Scott Conover, the manager, and Arne Schlobel, the supervisor. STL Exporter and Exportable View Creator, my two projects aimed at supporting fabrication and collaboration capabilities of Revit. Improving collaboration in building projects is the key to efficiency of building's life cycle. This collaboration is empowered by building information modeling, to which Revit is central. To support this collaboration and keep Revit in its central role, Revit data should be easily accessible by all collaborators. Revit 2014 product strategy is build out Revit platform to make BIM more accessible and hosted in the cloud, and broaden BIM by delivering fabrication capabilities. My internship projects were specifically designed to support collaboration by improving fabrication workflows through developing tools for data export. To achieve this, I work on two projects, STL Exporter and Exportable View Creator. Before moving to next slide, I want to introduce a sample building I used for testing my projects. A loft building in which we will pay attention to its front curtain wall, the loft that is also named reading deck, and the brick partition at the quiet lounge. This slide introduces the STL Exporter project. STL files are widely used for rapid prototyping and computer-aided manufacturing. An interior designer adores custom-made brick partitions. She knows a fabricator who assembles such partitions. If you remember the sample building, she wants to separate the quiet lounge by a brick partition. She designs this complicated brick partition because she has a good STL exporter. Before sending to the shop, she uses the STL exporter to send it to a 3D printer. Improvements I made include 1. Separation between the DB and UI assemblies, therefore Dynamo developers can use it for cloud applications. 2. Generation of watertight meshes. 3. Use of visualization API. I am now adding a feature to turn a topography surface to a solid so it can also be exported as STL file. Eventually, this tool helped our interior designer imagine, design, and create a better building interior. This slide introduces the Exportable View Creator project. This project is developing a component based on Revit API for quick creation of suitable views for export. It's a DB assembly that puts all different ways of controlling the visibility of elements under one umbrella and exposes them to API and cloud developers. The newly created view defines the elements that Exporter needs to export. After developing the tool, I tested it by using in a sample Firefly exporter and IFC exporter. Our interior designer used her iPad to show the content of the reading deck to her client. This became possible by an app used Exportable View Creator. Lastly, I used the Exportable View Creator to send the front curtain wall to the IFC exporter. Surely I have some takeaways. In addition, I gained a good deal of experience in extracting BIM data that is crucial to my completion of PhD in construction. I also verified software engineering is exciting. Most importantly, I knew a number of nice individuals who took time and shared with me their insights about the company and its different job functions. Before revealing my managerial plans, I should say I really like Autodesk's strategy where it disturbs itself to deal with disruptive innovations. If I was a product manager, I would have put a new effort on revising Revit concept hierarchy. As a UX manager, I would hire more domain experts with the knowledge of HCI design to my team. And as a facility manager, I would put some measure of safety for hallways intersections at the Waltham office. When I got this internship, I thought about anything but improving my ping pong skills. I played with people from the director of development to engineers from the newly acquired Vela system. Let me say thank you before they kick me out.